that tretinoin can damage your skin instead of treating what you want to use it to treat. So if you're a beginner and you want to start using tretinoin, keep on watching. I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to use it to treat your acne or your wrinkles. Anyone you want to use it for, I'm going to tell you step by step on how you're going to use it. So keep on watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It's a way to support me so that YouTube will recognize my channel. So on today's topic, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you are going to use tretinoin. Tretinoin has been going on the internet, so especially on TikTok, you see so many people using it to get desired results. Sometimes you feel like using it too, but you don't know that if you use it wrongly, it's going to burn your skin or damage your skin one way or the other. So before we begin, what is tretinoin? Tretinoin is part of retinoid family. It's derived from vitamin A. I'm not going to go deeply into that, but this video is mainly to teach you how to use it, but I will dive in a little bit into that. Now you ask, what kind of skin issue can tretinoin be used on? Tretinoin can be used to treat skin diseases such as acne. It can be used to close your pores. It can be used to treat dark spots, fine wrinkles. If you are aging, it can be used as anti-aging. It can also be used to treat damages gotten from the rays of the sun. So these are ways tretinoin can be used to treat skin diseases. But you have to consult your doctor before you use it. Although you might get the tube on pharmacy in Africa, in Nigeria, you can get it from the pharmacy. So I'm going to teach you how you are going to use it step by step. Tretinoin comes in different forms. It can come in form of a gel, a tube, or a medication. Yes, it has medication too for a different issue. But on this video, I'm going to talk about the tube, how you're going to use it. So there are many companies that produce tretinoin. I have written them down. They have different types. They have Acne, Avila, Resila, Renova, Retina A, which is commonly found in Nigeria. You also have Retina A Micro and also Tretinoin X. So this tretinoin has different doses. Before you go and buy, you have to know the skin issue you're treating, the dose, and those you need to buy for your issue. So there are 3 doses of tretinoin. It has the one of 0.05%. It also has 0.025%. It also has one of 0.1%. These are the 3 doses of tretinoin. The 0.05% of tretinoin is mainly used to treat anti-aging wrinkles. So if you are getting, or if you are having wrinkles, especially if you are up on age, you want to treat your fine wrinkles, and so the 0.05% is the best for you. If you don't have severe acne breakage, you just want to get a clear skin, treat your pores, your issue is not severe, it's just mild, you can go for 0.025% of tretinoin. It is the mild strength of tretinoin. While if you have severe acne, those that have big pimples, their faces are rough, your case is severe, you can buy the one of 0.01%. This is a different type of strength of tretinoin. Everything that have advantage has disadvantages. So I'm going to list out the benefit of tretinoin and the disadvantage of tretinoin, especially if you use it wrongly. So what are the benefits of tretinoin? I have written them down, so let me get my laptop. The benefit of tretinoin, it can be used to reduce the appearances of fine lines and dark spots. It can improve your skin texture. It can reduce the severity of acne breakage. If you are the type that once in a while there will be a breakout of acne on your face, tretinoin can be used to reduce it. Tretinoin can also be combined with other acids such as azelaic acid, benzoyl peroxide, and clindamycin. So these are all the benefits of tretinoin. So it also has side effects, that is the disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of tretinoin? Number one, you can have red or dry peeling skin. Yes, your skin can be reddish, dry, and start peeling. It can cause you burning and itching sensation near the application area. When you start applying it on your face or your body where you're treating something, you can start feeling some burning sensation on the area. So the third one is the skin might feel warm to touch. You might feel irritated to touch. It can lighten your skin. So if you don't want to lighten yourself, you can forget about using tretinoin. Tretinoin can lighten you. So tretinoin, just like other retinoid and other acid, can make your skin vulnerable to sun. If you are the type that cannot use sunscreen every 2 hours, abort mission. Because if you are not using sunscreen with tretinoin, you are damaging your skin. You are making it more vulnerable to the sun to damage, especially us that live in Africa. We know how hot our sun is. So while treating something with tretinoid, try and buy your sunscreen. Get the one that is 50% SPF and above, and use it every 2 hours. Now we go to the main content of this video, which all of you has been waiting for, is how do I apply? How do I apply this? So how to apply tretinoin is to apply it at night. It's mainly applied at night, not during the day. So step one is what? Wash your skin with mild soap, not medicated soap. Cleanse and wash with warm water. Allow the skin to dry completely. The second step is apply the tretinoin on the affected area you're treating. Just a pear size. You don't need too much. No, just a little. It's okay. Apply it to the affected area you're treating. The third step is gently rub it in. Gently rub it in a circular motion into the area. And wash off the medicine off your hands. After applying it, go and wash your hands. Immediately, wash it off your hand. And you wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, by that time, the tretinoin have, absorbed by your skin must have absorbed the tretinoin. Then you apply a moisturizer. Yes. Apply a moisturizer and go to bed. Forget about it, you go to bed. So when you wake up in the morning, you wash your face with mild scrub or rough clothes. You get a face towel, those small one, soak it in a warm water, use it and scrub your face in a circular motion. What you're doing, you are trying to remove the flakes, because when the treatment starts working, it will make your face flaky. So for you to reduce the appearance of those flakes on your face, use a washcloth and gently in a circular motion and wash your face with a warm water and allow the skin to dry. Then you apply a water-based moisturizer. When you're getting your moisturizer, make sure it's a water-based moisturizer. Then you apply it with your sunscreen and go your business. I don't know whether pregnant women or breastfeeding mothers are safe to use tretinoin, because there has never been a medical backup for them to use it. So I don't think it is safe for everybody. It may negatively interact with other topical medications, especially those containing sulfur, tretinoin, or salicylic acid. Tretinoin doesn't go well with salicylic acid. So in summary, tretinoin cream is go-to choice for treating acne and reducing appearance of wrinkles. But this one treatment requires patience. It's not a sharp something. To see results for acne treatment, it takes up to 6 to 9 weeks. If you are using it to treat your pimple, it takes 6 to 9 weeks. So if you are treating wrinkles, you want to use it for anti-aging purpose, it can take up to 6 months to 1 year. So this is all I have for you guys today for Tretinoin. Before I start using it, thank you for watching. I appreciate. Bye bye.